Welcome to the official video overview for the initial public offer of Eaaa India Alternatives Limited, formerly known as Edelweiss Alternative Asset Advisors Limited. We are one of the leading alternatives platforms in India in terms of assets under management, with more than 15 years of experience and managing an AUM of 572.62 billion rupees as of September 30, 2024. Caution: this video provides only the salient features of the offer, and accordingly, potential investors should not rely on this video. Any decision on whether to invest in the equity shares must be made solely on the basis of the red herring prospectus. Any potential investor should note that investment in equity shares involves a high degree of risk, and for details relating to such risks, see the section titled Risk Factors on page 35 of the draft red herring prospectus. The company, promoter, selling shareholder and BRLMs and their respective affiliates, directors, officers, agents, representatives, advisors and employees do not accept any liability whatsoever, direct or indirect, that may arise from the use of the information contained in this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by finfluencers, since the same is not authorized, approved, commissioned, paid by the company or its promoters, directors, KMPs or SMPs in any manner. Any such posts, including on social media platforms, may be illegal in certain jurisdictions, and only certain categories of persons may be authorized to access such information. Such posts, including on social media platforms, do not constitute an offer or solicitation of an offer, or any advice or recommendation to purchase, sell, or transact in any of the company's securities. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. This video is posted solely to comply with Indian legal and regulatory requirements. Making the information contained herein available in electronic format does not constitute an offer to sell, the solicitation of an offer to buy, or a recommendation to buy or sell securities of the company in the United States or in any other jurisdiction, including without limitation, India. Any other information contained in or that can be accessed via our website does not constitute a part of this video. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead managers, BRLMs, and the company that 1. You are the intended recipient of this video, and 2. You are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view these materials, please exit this video. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 5, 2024 before taking an investment decision on the offer. Eaaa India Alternatives Limited IPO comprises offer for sale of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 15,000 million rupees, with an employee reservation of equity shares and a reservation for subscription by eligible EFSL shareholders. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by Edelweiss Securities and Investments Private Limited, promoter selling shareholder, in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Incorporated on May 14, 2008 with its registered office in Mumbai, Maharashtra. As per the industry report titled Industry Research Report on Alternatives dated December 2024, exclusively prepared and issued by Care Analytics and Advisory Private Limited and exclusively commissioned and paid for by Eaaa India Alternatives Limited in connection with the offer, we are one of the leading alternatives platforms in India in terms of assets under management. Source: Care Report. We operate a diversified, multi-strategy platform in large, undertapped and fast-growing alternative asset classes, focusing on providing income and yield solutions to our clients. Our key business strategies include real assets and private credit. Our wholly owned subsidiary, Eaaa India Management Limited, is part of our portfolio operating and management team, which supports our various business strategies, including operations, maintenance, monitoring, efficiency improvement, and turnaround management. We are an experienced player catering to a diverse client base of global and domestic institutional clients and manage India-focused funds across our business strategies. We have invested significant time and resources over the years in building a global, scalable coverage platform for a diverse client base, including institutional investors, ultra-high net worth individuals, high net worth individuals, and family offices. As of September 30, 2024, through the funds that we managed, we had 3,682 client relationships globally and in India, including 728 repeat clients in our funds and 2,715 clients added in from April 1, 2021 to September 30, 2024. As of September 30, 2024, we have 266 employees across our business functions, which includes our investment team, our POMT team, our coverage team, and our enterprise team. Investors should note the following important risks. Our revenue and profit are dependent on our ARR revenue and variable additional return we earn with respect to the funds managed by us, and any adverse factors affecting our ARR revenue or variable additional return may result in a decline in our income and profit. Introducing new business strategies, sub-strategies or products may expose us to challenges and risks that may adversely affect our business, financial condition, and results of operations. Underperformance of our funds would cause a decline in our revenue, profitability, and cash flow, and may also adversely affect our ability to raise capital in the future. Our historical growth rates may not be indicative of our future growth, and if we do not manage our growth effectively, our financial performance could be adversely affected. Any potential error in product information or marketing material that we provide to our clients, or any false or misleading information provided by our distributors, relationship managers, or investment professionals may adversely affect our business, financial condition, and results of operations. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 35 of the DRHP. Eaaa India Alternatives Limited is promoted by Edelweiss Financial Services Limited, Edelweiss Securities and Investments Private Limited, Edel Finance Company Limited, and Edelweiss Global Wealth Management Limited, and Edelweiss Securities and Investments Private Limited together hold 100% of the company. 90.10% of the company is held by the promoter selling shareholder, who are selling equity shares of the pre-issue capital as part of the offer for sale. The board of directors of the company comprises 8 directors, of whom 1 is an executive director, 7 are non-executive directors, including 4 independent directors. The independent directors also include 2 women independent directors. Eaaa India Alternatives Limited total revenues from operations stood at 3,606.94 million rupees for 6 months ended September 30, 2024. The company registered a PAT of approximately 1,236.78 million rupees for 6 months ended September 30, 2024. For further details on financials and related information of Eaaa India Alternatives Limited, investors are advised to read the DRHP, including summary of the offer document, summary of selected financial information derived from the restated summary financial information, and summary financial information on pages 15 and 78, respectively. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, promoters, directors. Any adverse outcome in such legal proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. For further details, please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 353 of the DRHP. The objects of the offer are: 1. To carry out the offer for sale of equity shares of face value of 5 rupees each, aggregating up to 15,000 million rupees by the promoter selling shareholder, and 2. Achieve the benefits of listing the equity shares on the stock exchanges. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 50% of the net offer to QIBs, not less than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not less than 35% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE Limited and National Stock Exchange of India Limited. Axis Capital Limited, Jefferies India Private Limited, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, and Nuvama Wealth Management Limited are the book running lead managers. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest in any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 5, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto before taking an investment decision in the offer. Investors are advised not to rely on any document or information for making their investment decision. Neither the company nor the promoters and promoter selling shareholder are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the offer for making any investment decision.